Today we're going to cover why some of your formulas in your spreadsheet may not be automatically updating. For instance, if I have this formula here in B6, which is the sum of B3 through B5, these options here, a quick way to find out what the result of this is for a sum function is right down here in your status bar. If you don't see any of these displaying, you may want to right-click on your grey status bar here and make sure that all of these have ticks next to them, and that way you'll get a whole bunch of tips down here in your status bar. So again, if I make this 50 and it's still showing 60 and hasn't updated, these options here can assist you in troubleshooting why it's not updating. So these options can be found in the Formula tab of your ribbon, and they're over here under the Calculation group. So the first thing that I would have a look at is maybe clicking on Calculate Now, and as you can see, that's just updated to 80. If I go ahead and make this 2, so the result should be 10 times 2 is 20, and it's still showing 100 down here, I would go and have a look in here and find out why it's not updating. So some people like to have it on manual because any changes in their formulas they like to manually approve. So I like to have mine on automatic so that when you update them, I'm going to change this back to 10, they're automatic. And again, I'll change this to 30 and it's automatically calculating. All right, I hope that's helped. So that's pretty much the first place you would look in your Formulas tab under the Calculation group if your formulas are not automatically updating. Please subscribe to us if you've enjoyed this lesson, and visit us also on our website on www.TheOfficeExpert.com for more tips and tricks. Cheerio!